Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing fine, safe, secure at your place. So in today's video, I'm going to share a very quick and a very easy makeup look today. The base is always in that as I always say. So the eye makeup is a very big task to do because it should contrast with your dress. It should match with your dress, right? And today I'm wearing this white kurti with this and pink legging into this, so I'll share a picture of this for sure. And yeah, what I wanted to say that I have done a very easy, very quick makeup that everybody can do. So without any delay, let's get into the video. Guys, I'm gonna start by prepping my face. For that I'm using this primer, Makeup Prep Me Up primer. So I'm using this foundation brush to blend my primer. I don't feel like to use my hand today. I don't know why. I mean fingers. So this is going to be a day makeup look. I'm going out. Not going out, I'm just going to visit a temple. Like for a bhandara. So I'm not sure like what all colors should I use, because what I'm wearing is white kurta and by this oxidized jewelry, and very simple. I'm carrying a very simple dress, so I thought let's create some eye makeup. So I'm done with applying primer. Next I'm gonna use uh, concealer. I'm using this Maybelline Instant Age Fine Eraser Multi-Use Concealer. From my blush and highlight palette, I'll be taking this color, this light baby pink that I want, to apply over my crease. It's a very soft pink color, that's why I'm using it. So guys, you can see that I have given a cold color to my to my eyelid. Okay, so what I'm gonna add next is that I'm going to use the same palette, and you can see that I have applied here and just left over here. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to take this highlighter and add here like this. Guys, I'll keep it like this. Now I'm going to add eyeliner. Next I'm gonna add this kajal to my lower lash line. This is by Lakme 95 Natural Gel Kajal. Next I'm going to add this foundation, apply this foundation. This is by Lakme Fit Me. To set my base, I'm using this Maybelline New York's Compact. So this is very important because I'm already getting sweating on my face, and I have to go out, and trust me, it's very hot today, very hot. So it is very important step to lock your base by using any, like you can use banana powder, you can use loose powder, you can use compact. And last is my favorite step guys, which is to apply blush. So for that I'm using this Lakme's Fit Me blush. Trust me guys, this blush gives you so natural and natural look with the instant glow would say, because it has bit chunky particles, so it works as a highlighter as well. So yeah, I need to fill my brows, and actually I was waiting that do I need to add on colors to my eyes or not, but I think for day it's good to go. and I'm just going to visit a temple, so I don't think so that it is required to add much more colors. So just a bit, then I'm filling my brows and I'm good to go. Last step, to apply lipstick. So for that I'm using this Maybelline matte ink liquid lipstick. This is my love. I love this lipstick. I love this shade. I just can't tell you. Guys, I'm not highlighting my brow bones and inner corners because I've already added the highlighter, and I'm good to go. I believe I need to wear a earring, and this is my final look. Guys, I'm done with my makeup. I'm done with my look. I might make a braid, or yeah, I think this looks perfect. So I might make a braid in front, or maybe keep it like this. So let's see what hairstyle I'll make. So by this I end this video here. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye guys, take care, love you all.